We've designed iplicit, our cloud-based software, to help organisations with multi-companies to simplify their accounting processes and save time. If you're part of a finance team managing multiple companies, you know firsthand how challenging it may be to stay on top of all the tasks, headaches and frustrations that come with it, from intercompany transactions to disparate accounting setups, not to mention the duplication of information and the never-ending month-end processes. Sometimes you feel like you're on a multi-company treadmill. At iplicit, we understand your pain. We've designed our software with multi-company finance at its heart. With iplicit, you can manage all your accounting needs across multiple companies with ease, whether it's one company or 100. And let us show you how iplicit can manage your group's finances with ease. Some of the common issues and challenges we regularly hear about typically start with having to work in environments where your companies are all in different setups, or even separate finance systems, meaning collating data is both long-winded and highly manual. Then when it comes to setting up new companies or dealing with acquisitions to the group, you may need to spend more money or more time with your existing supplier in order to just get started. Next is having to manage intercompany transactions, which usually means lots of duplication of time spent rekeying and reconciling information in different systems and often spreadsheets, making producing timely consolidated information something you just dream about, along with the hassles of dealing with group eliminations and producing accurate month-end figures, or maybe a group project, fund or event, for both your internal and external stakeholders. Even something as simple as a consolidation of debtors and creditors. Let's take a look at how we avoid these issues and more by giving you the system and the tools to provide management information in real time to your entire organisation. We'll start with your companies. iplicit works in a single environment for all of your group companies, making it easy to manage and keeping all your information accessible and in one place. We've made adding new entities simple and efficient and easily within your control. Here we can select VAT requirements, for example, with iplicit providing UK and non-UK VAT authorities along with multi-jurisdictional support, as well as being able to accommodate areas such as partial VAT and manage any group VAT requirements you may have. As iplicit is a full multi-currency system, base currencies can be set in any denomination, and transactions entered and supported with live exchange rate updates, which includes cryptocurrencies. We also include configurable multiple exchange rate types to help manage currency reporting across the group. Here you can easily set up and control the trading and transactions that need to occur between entities using our intercompany matrix. This ensures that correct transactions occur in real time and helps stop misposting and eliminate errors. iplicit also includes highly detailed permissions and data access controls, meaning we'll easily maintain integrity and security of information and give data to the right people at the right time. And for completeness, you can also manage different group structures, consolidate companies with different year ends, and even bring in entities outside of the group, such as joint ventures or partial ownerships. Intercompany transactions can be time-sapping, hard to manage and control. iplicit simplifies the whole process across all types of entries, thanks to our highly configurable automation center. Let's take a look at an example of an intercompany sale. All we need to do in iplicit is select an intercompany sales invoice. Here I can choose the entity creating the sale. iplicit then filters the list of available companies which it can trade with. Once I've finished the transaction, I can submit the invoice, possibly to iplicit's authorization workflow engine. And it's at this stage that iplicit's automation takes over, creating the appropriate, in this example, purchase invoice in the other entity, and managing any adjustments, mappings such as nominal codes, cost centers, departments, even VAT rates and currencies. Here's the purchase invoice in the other company that's been automatically managed and created, and in this example even sent off for approval in the other company's authorization workflows. It is as simple as that. And we use that same automation technology across all transaction types, from multi-company invoices to journals, allocations and bank transfers, to the ability to make multi-company group payments and receipts, where purchase and sales ledger accounts can be posted to from one entity and bank account to multiple subsidiary ledgers, and with iplicit posting all of the appropriate intercompany transactions and allocations for you. In one straightforward stroke, removing all of that duplication of effort, validation and subsequent reconciliation, and in real time. And thanks to iplicit holding all your company information in one place, it understands all of your intercompany transactions and accounts. You can now have real-time live consolidation reporting and analysis at your fingertips from anywhere in the world. From flexible management information, including budgets and forecasts, to dashboards and charts available on any device. And as for those eliminations you're spending hours toiling with countless complicated spreadsheets, they can be turned on or off literally at the flick of a switch. We also haven't forgotten about consolidating those debtors and creditors for you either, together with detailed reconciliation analysis to help with month and year end. And speaking of month end, our automation doesn't just stop there. We also include huge time-saving processes such as accruals and prepayments, deferred income, revenue recognition, depreciation and amortization, supported by our inbuilt fixed asset register, disbursements, and foreign currency exchange gains and losses. The list goes on, and it extends to your group VAT returns, where we consolidate VAT across the group and create the appropriate intercompany postings once you electronically submit your return, keeping you fully compliant with MTD, for example, and saving you countless hours every month, all easily maintained and configured to suit how you need to run your finances across the organisation. And thanks to iplicit's unlimited general ledger analysis, integrated project ledger, highly configurable workflows, and extensive APIs to connect to your other business systems, we not only have the best finance system for you today, but also future-proof your organisation for tomorrow. Find out more about how we're disrupting and leading the financial technology sector by visiting us at iplicit.com.